Hey, it's David from Vacation Tracker here, and in this tutorial, we're going to be taking a closer look at locations. While you probably already have your first location from the onboarding process, chances are there will come a time where you will need to add more. So in this video, I'm going to be covering how you can add new locations, how you can edit your existing ones, and how you can delete old ones that are no longer in use. Now, a location is where you can manage the working hours, the holidays, and of course, the leave policies of all your team members. You can choose to have a location for every country in which you have employees, or you can do so by city, state, region, or province. You can even create multiple locations for offices in the same city to better manage your policies. Ultimately, it's going to be up to you to add as many locations as you need. Once you've logged into your Vacation Tracker account, you're going to head on over to the left-hand menu and then click on the Leave Setup section to expand it further. Then you're going to click on the first option, which is Locations. And on this page, you're going to see all the locations that are currently in your account. To create a new location, you're going to click on the button appropriately labeled Create a Location. Now you just need to enter the basic information in order to create said location. You're going to start by giving it a name and choosing the time zone in which the location operates. You can start adding your users right away, but if you're unsure of who will be assigned to this location, you can do this later on. Next, you have the option to make this location default. What that means is that whenever you create a new Vacation Tracker account for one of your team members, they will automatically be added to this location and be assigned the policies here. Afterwards, you're going to decide on the workday and work week for users at this location. Do they work Monday to Friday, or do they work weekends sometimes? Does their work week start on a Monday or a Sunday? And how long is their work day? Do note though, while this applies to all users at the location, if ever you need to make specific changes to a single user, you can make changes to their length of workday on their profile page. The last decision you need to make when creating a location is, when do leave quotas reset? Will it be based on your company's accounting year, in which you can choose the date yourself, or will it be based on the user's employment date? Once you're happy with all the settings, you can click on Create Location, and now your new location has been made. Once you click on View for a location, you can begin to assign the leave policies as well as the holidays for users at said location. If you need to make changes or delete a location, you can click on the Edit Location button, and you'll be brought to the same page we bought before. After you're done making all your changes to the location, you can scroll all the way down and click Update Location to save your changes. If you want to delete the location, you just need to click on the button that says Delete Location, and it'll ask you to confirm your selection. Thanks for checking out this tutorial. If you want to learn more about locations and how they work inside a Vacation Tracker, then feel free to check out our Help Desk Center, as we have tons of articles covering this topic in more depth. And if you run into any issues whatsoever when setting up locations on your account, then please make sure to reach out to our support team either via chat or email.